Good day, everyone. Our topic for today is all about fuel system. The fuel system in a vehicle is what stores and delivers fuels to the engines para ito ay tumakbo o umandar ang ating mga sasakyan at ang ating mga motor. Magsisimula ito or ang ating fuel system sa ating fuel tank, kung saan sa ating fuel tank doon nakalagay o doon naka-store ang ating gasolina at ang ating mga diesel. The fuel pump moves the fuel through lines to the engine. Then the fuel injector or carburetor mix the gasoline or the fuel with air and send it into the engines to be burned for power. So yun nga, yung injector or yung ating carburetor, siya ang nagbi-mix ng fuel and air para magkaroon or ma-burn at magkaroon ng combustion or yung tinatawag natin na power. The fuel system is responsible for supplying the correct amount of fuel to the engine under all operating conditions. As you can see in the diagram, meron tayo ditong filter, supply pump, fuel tank, ECU, injectors, common rail pressure sector. Then, yun nga, ang typically main components natin dito is fuel tank, fuel pump, fuel filter, fuel lines, fuel injector or carburetor, and then yung tinatawag natin na ECU or engine control unit. Fuel tank, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, sa ating fuel tank, dito natin ini-store ang ating mga fuel. While the fuel pump naman, siya ang nagsisend ng fuel na nanggagaling sa ating mga tangke papunta sa ating makina. Fuel filter, sa ating fuel filter naman, removes dirt and debris from the fuel. Sa atin namang fuel lines, yung fuel lines natin, ito yung mga tubes that carry fuel to the engine. Yung fuel lines, ito nga yung hose or tubes papunta sa ating engine na doon dumadaan o dumadaloy yung ating mga gasolina or diesel papunta sa ating mga makina. ECU, ano nga ba ang gamit ng ating ECU? In the modern cars, it controls how much fuels gets injected based on engine needs. Siyang nag-control kung gaano karami ang kailangan ng ating sasakyan or ang ating makina na gasolina or ang tinatawag natin na fuel. The system must maintain the right fuel pressure and ensure a proper air-fuel ratio for efficient combustion. Dahil yun nga sabi ko, kapag halimbawa kulang yung air and fuel ratio niya, mahina yung combustion niya. So, hindi maaabot. Kaya kailangan ma-maintain natin yung right fuel pressure para ma-ensure natin yung proper air-fuel ratio for efficient combustion. The fuel system ensure precise metering, filtrations, and delivery of fuel to the combustion chamber. Yung fuel tank natin, dito natin kino-contains yung fuel, often vented with an evap system to reduce emission. Fuel pump, electric or mechanical, it's pressurized fuel for injections. Yung tinatawag naman natin na fuel rail or yung injections or injectors, the fuel rail distributes fuel to injectors which atomize it into the intake manifold or direct into the combustion chamber. Next is meron tayong tinatawag na fuel pressure regulator. Fuel pressure regulator maintains consistent fuel pressure. Then meron din tayong tinatawag na sensors or ECU. Systems like mass airflow, oxygen sensors, and the ECU monitor and adjust fuel delivery dynamically. Modern fuel system may also include direct injection, turbocharging integration, and adaptive fuel mapping. So, yun ang silbi ng ating fuel system. Kung paano dumadaloy or ano o saan nanggagaling yung supply para umandar yung ating mga sasakyan. Yun ang fuel system natin. I hope you understand my explanation. Thank you so much.